laser. Pew, 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 pew. What's up guys, the Tech Spot here, and with computers, cameras still looking like potatoes, you need one of these, an HD webcam for your laptop or your iMac or whatever computer that you have. So these webcams are actually available on Antzzon, and I'm going to be reviewing them, and there are so many uses for them. For example, for video conference calls, for live streaming, for recording videos, for talking on Zoom, FaceTime. There are so many uses for this, okay? So you do need a better camera. It'll change your life. You could even use it on photo booth. Why not? They also do have stereo mic quality. There's no Apple computer that you can buy right now that has an upgraded camera, so you're gonna need one of these. So this one is by Antzzon, and this one is by Antzz, spelled with a Z. Alright, so with that said, alright, so let's start with the Antzzon Full HD webcam. And this supports 720p, 1080p, a frame rate of 30 frames per second, and has automatic low light correction and improves night vision. The focal length is 30 millimeters, supports USB 2.0, and of course 3.0, and has built-in stereo microphone. So all around, it looks to be a well-rounded webcam. Alright, so anyways, I'm just gonna pop this box open. Boom, an HD webcam, so super cool. Looks like this one also pivots and stuff like that. There you go. User manual, so I'm pretty sure we don't really need this. All we do is plug and play. That's it. Alright, now let's go ahead and unbox the Antzz. Alright, now let's go ahead and unbox the Antzz. Okay, thank you. Alright, so there it is. Again, this is 1080p, and you can just switch to the frame rate between 10 to 30 frames per second. Supports USB, plug and play too. So pretty simple stuff. So let's go and see what this one looks like. So, whoa, I already took the plastic off. Didn't mean to do that. Alright, and there's a user manual in there too, but we don't need it. Whoa, this one looks crazy. It looks like it's about to shoot a laser. Pew, 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 pew. Okay, and there's a stand. This is one I could see on like an Alienware, a gaming laptop. But anyways, again, just plug and play. What's up guys, and thank you for tuning back in to the Tech Spot with your host, Carolyn Weaver. I don't know. But anyways guys, we're gonna be now testing out the webcams. First, I'm gonna be testing out the native webcam on my MacBook Pro as long with the audio. So here we go. I have a Zoom call set up. Alright, so here we go. This is a test meeting. Do you hear the ringtone? Yes, I do. So now we are connected to Zoom, and this is what it looks like with the standard camera on the MacBook Pro. Now the audio is also from the MacBook Pro. The audio is probably good because the 16-inch MacBook is known for having a studio-grade microphone built in. So it's equivalent to like my Yeti microphone that I have over here, which is insane. But the video is pretty blurry, so can't even make out my pimples, but all right. Anyways, it's kind of fuzzy. I can see. Let me throw in some colors. You guys can see the blue right here. My battery's running low, but all right. So look at the greens. All right. Let me throw in some reds and blues and some orange. And how about my iPhone? All right. So, boom. All right. So this is what the camera looks like. Let me go ahead and also pan around a little bit. So yeah, this is what the camera looks like with the standard MacBook Pro webcam, and the audio is actually pretty good because again, it's a studio grade microphone. I'm not sure if the webcams will be better quality in terms of microphone quality, but we'll see. And all right, so let's go and switch over to webcams. So this one right here is from Antzzon, and all I gotta do is prop it up, and it does plug in via USB, which sucks for me because I have to get an adapter, which I already use, so I already have one. I wish they just had a port for that. It's gonna take a while for everything to transition over to USB Type-C. Now the audio that you are seeing and also the video is from this webcam. So this is what it looks like, and the colors are a little bit different. I look like pale over here now. But anyways, again, there's my iPhone. That's what that looks like. So, interesting. All right, let's throw in some colors. Bam! It's like more realistic to what I haven't actually seen. Still kind of faded. All right, so as you can see, it's kind of blurry right now, and that's because this does have a manual focus. So there's like, you literally turn the lens of the webcam. So I'm gonna use a napkin because I feel like my hands are moisturized and they kind of slip. So just turn it. see. Yeah, see, it's getting better. Let me turn it a little more. And that's better. Let's see. Right there. Okay, cool. So now you can see it's focused. So you do have to adjust like the little lens up there just to make sure that it's completely focused. And again, here is the webcam, how it looks with everything. Let's go up to the ceiling. I don't know what I'm looking at. Let's go over here. There you go. I got the PSVR right there. Pretty dope. And yeah, it's actually really cool. I can't believe I didn't test it out sooner, as it came out 3 years ago. But yeah, that's a microphone. And the quality, now the sun's kind of going down. You can see it's got a lot darker, but still in the webcam, it seems to be pretty good. Let me whip out my phone, see what that looks like. So, got to lower the brightness first on this. And yeah, there you go. So you can see, yeah, it doesn't look bad, and then like, it's pretty good. So you adjust the focus right here, right from that lens. 1080p, so that's what that looks like, 30 frames a second. And so yeah, there's that webcam. Now, let's go and try out the other one too. So, oh, before I show you guys that, let me show you guys my COVID mask. So, this is what I wear usually when I go out. The audio sounds probably muffled now. But yeah, that's what I was like, what's up guys, the tech spot here, you know. Just now I gotta frown if I wear it upside down. But anyways, let's go and try out the other cam. So, I'm gonna unplug this one. And this is the other one by Antzz, the one that looks like it was made for an Alienware PC. Alright, so here we go. Just put it on, plug it in. So here we are. Oh my god, this one's zoomed in. This one's a little zoomed in. Alright, so there's what it looks like. Whoa, okay, so this one's like, whoa, a little too close, buddy. You don't want to get that close to me. Oh my god. So anyways, it's ended my Zoom call, but... Alright, so Zoom kind of pooped on me, so I'm just using FaceTime now, and I kind of have it over to the side because I have some contacts over there, but I'm just going to take a look at some colors. This one's pretty good too. This one is more HD when it comes to like close-ups. Like, look at that. See everything. Alright, so here we go. Wow, okay, yeah, that's pretty clear. I mean, it's kind of weird on the screen, but it's going to bring in some plants. Boom! This one has the best color, I feel like. Look how vibrant that is. So yeah, pretty awesome stuff. Definitely better quality than the built-in MacBook Pro one. Alright, but now we are on my main camera, so let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. And so yeah, this is what this one looks like, if you guys were wondering, compared to HD webcams. Color. Boom. Let's do... There it is. And this is how I record my videos. Boom. So... yeah, of course this camera is going to be the best because it's just meant to be a full-blown DSLR camera. But yeah, guys, this is the Tech Spot. Hope you guys enjoyed this review of these webcams. If you guys are interested, links will be down below in the description. Peace out.